What's going on, Gas Gang? Today, we're back with an old school boy racer special and rivalry between two tuned hot hatches and two manufacturers that dates back many generations. Today, it's Ford Focus RS versus Vauxhall ASTRA GSI, and it's gonna be sick, so stay tuned and let's get it. To officially gas. Let's get it. For the best in universal premium ester-containing engine oils and fuel additives for both petrol and diesel engines, check the links in the description. So welcome back once again to the OG battles for another high-octane tyre shredding showdown between two period-correct hot hatch rivals. Today we're lining up a couple of old school ASBO favourites to see who's got what it takes to beat its rival to the finish line. Today we're lining up Vauxhall's Grand Sport Injection GSI against Ford's Rally Sport RS. Pick a side and let's get it. And in partnership with Race Logic, we're going to be carrying out two sets of races. First up today, it's a quarter-mile roll race. Next up, it's a drag race to the quarter mile. All races are best of 3 and the V-Box Performance Box Touch will be recording data such as 0 to 60s, quarter mile times and more to give you guys the stats on how these rivals perform. Let's get over and meet both cars and their owners. So first up today, welcoming Liam to the battles, representing for the Vauxhall fanboys, stepping up in his 2003 450 brake horsepower, 380 foot-pound 4-cylinder turbo-powered Mark IV Astra GSI tuned by RS Tuning in Leeds. So, modifications consist of a fully forged Z20 LEH engine, an externally gated Garrett GTX 3071R Gen 2 turbo kit, a Nortec intercooler, a GSP tubular manifold and downpipe kit, a custom oil cooler and intake system, and uprated injectors. The Astra's running on PS4S street tyres and is estimated to weigh in at 1300 kg, giving the GSI a power to weight ratio of 346 brake horsepower per tonne. The Astra drives its front wheels only via its stock unopened manual gearbox. And he's going to be stepping up against and welcoming Andrew to the battles, representing for the Fast Ford fans in his 2003 425 brake horsepower, 450 foot-pound, 4-cylinder turbo-powered Mark I Focus RS running on a DPC Stage 4 map. Modifications consist of a fully built engine, a Garrett GT28 hybrid core turbo, a Blitz boost controller, an AirTech intercooler, a primary designs tubular manifold, a 3-inch downpipe and full Mongoose exhaust system, uprated injectors and a water meth kit. The Focus is running on Nankang NS2R semi-slick street tyres and is estimated to weigh in slightly lighter than the Astra at 1275 kg, giving it a power to weight ratio of 333 brake horsepower per tonne. The Focus also drives its front wheels only, however via its CAS LSD equipped manual gearbox. Liam from Mass Tuning, bro, welcome back to the channel.
Nice to see you again.
Bro, it's been a long time. It's been a long time.
Yeah, it's been a few years, hasn't it, since we ran?
That's it. Different car too.
Yeah, different car, yes. Something else to bring to you. Definitely. So we've got two kind of period correct rivals today. Both kind of very similar power, slightly different weights, slightly different powers, but we feel like, you know, the varying mods should kind of balance each other out. The power to weight ratio of the pair of them should be very, very close. Got ya. So what I want to know is how you think the day is going to pan out, like, you know, roll race, drag race. How do you feel like you stand? I get the idea that on the rolling, I think the Astra might have the legs.
Okay.
On the drags, I think it'll be a different story. I think different the tyres, I think, will play a big part in that. Okay, cool. So you're saying you've got the rolls in the bag, probably. Maybe.
You don't want to say too much before you race, but the drag race could be a hard one for you.
Bit different, yes.
Okay, cool. Well, listen, bro, whatever happens, have a good day. And yeah, let's race, man.
Bro,
cool.
Sound?
All good. Andy, welcome to the channel, mate.
How are you? Okay?
I'm good. You've brought down a lovely looking Mark I Focus RS, brother. Pretty much a rival to the GSI.
Yep.
How do you reckon you're going to get on?
I'm going to smoke him.
Oh, that's the kind of talk I love.
He's having it.
He's having it. All right, so you're saying drag race and roll race?
Yeah.
Game over?
Yeah.
Oh, I like the conversation. I like the...
Got to be confident, haven't you?
Confidence is what, yeah. Listen, I think, do we need to say any more or do you just leave it like that?
Yeah?
Less talking, more
Yeah?
action.
Mic drop moment, yeah? All right, cool. Well, thank you, and let's race.
And as usual, today they're going to be battling it out for the revered Sugarcoat Cup and a full set of its ultra effective, super sweet smelling ceramic waterless washes. First up today is the roll races, but before they hit that strip, let's hear what they sound like. Now, the roll races work like this. The left car is the pace setting car, the two agree a start speed and the left car sets it. It's then the car in the right's job to make sure he stays by its side. As soon as they hit that start marker, it's go time. Place your bets. And after a skewed start, the Focus comes from behind and beats the Astra to the line by a car's length. A wrong gear there for the Astra on the start, but he was gaining on the Focus up top. Let's line them back up and go again. And that time, the Astra absolutely flips the script, comes on boost quicker than the Focus, and hands him a one-way first-class ticket to Gappy Stan. That was mad. Let's line them back up for a decider.
More boost.
And after a rather eager start there from the Focus, the GSI hunts him down, pulls past and takes the win once again by around 2 car lengths. Mad. So, taking a look at the fastest 100 to 200 times achieved during the runs using a V-Box PBT, the Astra proves to also be the faster car on paper, going 100 to 200 kph in just 7.93 seconds. The Focus, unfortunately, unable to pull a 100 to 200 kph run over the given distance, resulting in no recorded time. That's data to back up the results. And round 1 goes to the Vauxhall fanboys. I can feel the Ford community sweating right now, but don't fear, next up, it's the drag races, and the Focus has got an LSD. Let's see how this pans out.
more power. The little.
And after an absolute spin fest from a dig, surprisingly, the GSI hooks up first and teaches the Focus the most unholy 6 cars length lesson in capology. Right, so it's not really looking good for the Ford community right now. Let's line them back up and see if divine intervention can pull one back for the Ford fans.
Good old Z20. Never thought I'd make it down, but it's beat the Focus.
And oh no, it's gone from bad to worse for the Focus. The Astra makes it to the line first by an absolute train length. Now, were you expecting that? So let's just take a look over at the fastest quarter mile and 0 to 60 times achieved by the pair during the runs using the V-Box PBT. And unsurprisingly, the Astra proves the faster car, covering the quarter mile in 13.19 seconds at a speed of 117 miles per hour and drops into 10th position on the board. The Focus runs a best quarter mile time of 13.96 seconds at a lower trap speed of 111 miles per hour. Unfortunately, not quite fast enough to chart amongst the top 15. Then taking a look over at the fastest 0 to 60 times achieved, the Astra once again proves to be the faster car, hitting 60 in just 5.10 seconds and drops into a joint 5th position on the board. The Focus hits a respectable 0 to 60 time of 5.85 seconds, however, unfortunately once again just off pace to chart with the top 15. Round 1 and round 2 goes to Liam and the Vauxhall community. He lifts the Sugarcoat Cup and takes home a full set of its ultra effective, super sweet smelling ceramic waterless washes. Congrats, bro. So today ends in a clear victory for Liam and the Vauxhall community, taking nearly all the race wins and running the faster times in all categories. Unfortunately, the Focus just seemed to be a little bit outgunned today, and although stepping up with a slight power disadvantage, today we hoped his car's weight advantage and LSD would have helped him close that gap. Today for the Ford lovers, it was not meant to be. A massive shout out to both lads for stepping up and putting on a show for the culture. So guys, let me know in the comments what team you were backing and of course, which one you'd prefer to own and why. Also, don't forget you can save 20% off the whole Sugarcoat product range using my unique code OG20. Links can be found down below in the description. Go on, treat your car. And if you have enjoyed today's races, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't miss another battle by smashing that notifications bell. And we'll be back, same time, same place with another crazy OG battle. Peace out.